Coach, it seems like 3 times we lost the game at home. So, what did you think about what happened with the procedure? You as coaches, what did you see about this team inside the team or outside the team?
Oh well, I think today we lack a little bit experience of Liga 1 football. I think we played okay the first half, but we didn't create much chances. Then we conceded a goal in the last second, and then of course I'm easy getting the red card. It's difficult, but still with 10 players, we got France had a chance. We get the penalty, we miss the penalty, we still score, and then right away we give the 2-1. Then it's that experience. After coming back to the game, you cannot lose a game like that. You have to suffer, sacrifice, but it's football, and at the end you try everything to win. But Bali did a good job, and we get 3 points.
Ya, sepertinya tim kita agak sedikit kurang pengalaman ya dari menghadapi Bali. Di babak pertama kita bisa banyak peluang, banyak kesempatan kita bisa main, tapi tiba-tiba ada gol di menit akhir babak pertama, dan lagi kita ada 1 kartu merah di misi itu agak sulit buat kita. Lalu ada Fransa dapat peluang, kita dapat penalti tapi tidak masuk. Lalu ada Fransa bisa bikin gol, lalu dengan kurang dari 3 detik mungkin dia bisa membalas. Jadi 2-1 ini agak sulit buat kita, tapi kita terus berusaha untuk menciptakan gol. Ya lagi mungkin sebenarnya kita kurang pengalaman untuk menghadapi, harusnya kita bisa lebih sacrifice, kita bisa lebih kerja keras lagi ketika kita sudah bikin 1 gol sering. Tapi lagi kita bisa kebobolan dalam waktu yang sangat singkat dari gol.
It's hard to say congratulations, but again you make some score to prove for the Persija fans. What do you think about this?
Para mim, o mais importante é sempre vencer o jogo. Acho que eu venci isso 2 vezes. Em momentos difíceis como esse, a gente precisa trabalhar ainda mais. Tem uma frase comigo que aquilo que é bom dura para sempre, aquilo que é mal também dura para sempre. Então, hoje está aqui um trabalho, essa fase vai passar com a
Well, it's the most important team, for him, the most important is the team. Of course, today was not the result we wanted, but not, like he said, not because we lost everything is wrong, not because we win everything well. Now we have to keep on working hard to get back 3 points winning.
Oke, bagi Fransa gol tadi itu nggak terlalu penting ya. Yang terpenting adalah tim, bagaimana walaupun hasilnya tidak bagus, tapi bukan berarti kita kalah terus kita salah, kita menang terus kita benar. Bukan berarti seperti itu. Kita masih punya peluang untuk menaikkan mobil.
Gimana yang bertanya?
Of course, it's tough, but let's be honest. If these players give everything, with 10 players, we get a penalty, we get a goal. They give everything. We put the goalkeeper in the box. We try everything. Of course, the supporters, we understand it's disappointing, but I'm telling you, man, my heart is broken. So the supporters are suffering, but believe me, France, Coach Tanner, everybody also, we feel the same way. We really want to win. We really want to win, and of course, this is football. But we feel the same way. And of course, we try our best. We don't give up. We try our best.
Ya, sangat sulit ya ketika kita menerima kekalahan yang ketiga. Tapi percaya bahwa kita juga di sini pemain di tim pelatih juga merasakan hal yang sama gitu. Hatinya Coach Mario itu patah hati lah, kecewa gitu karena hasilnya. Tapi kita lagi-lagi sudah berusaha gitu. Dengan 10 pemain pun kita masih berusaha untuk mendapatkan poin atau menciptakan gol. Dan lagi-lagi kita tahu bahwa supporter sudah berkorban ya, jauh-jauh datang ke sini untuk bukti dan segala macam. Tapi sama seperti kita juga mengalami hal yang sama.
Is what I feel, every time I have to change the lineup, even now, next game, Amizi is out, and we haven't found the perfect lineup, really. We always changing, Alexis get red card, and yellow card, and again, today another yellow red card, and we haven't found that consistency in first 11, and I think, how many games? 8 games? We always play a different 11, and I think for a team like us, we have to be doing the same, at least 2-3 games, and unfortunately, it's not possible. We're always changing, and next game against Vallecano, we'll have to change again. Amizi is out. That's the problem.
Ya, salah satu alasannya mungkin karena kita belum konsisten untuk menerapkan line up 11 pertama ya. Kita selalu berganti, bahkan dalam 8 pertandingan ini sudah 8 pertandingan ini kita ada 8 line up yang berbeda gitu. Ya alasannya banyak ya, karena ada yang akumulasi, cedera, dan ini Amizi besok nggak bisa main, otomatis lawan Bayangkara bilang kita pasti akan berubah lagi line up kita. Itu mungkin salah satu alasan kita kurang konsisten.
Unfortunately, Douglas since Borneo has been out, he's still out. That's the reality. Douglas quite bad injury that takes time. Is not really happy. Came back, but he's not ready yet to come back. It's really being patient. And I'm not a doctor. Let's see when he come back. Of course, it's important. But now, I don't think so soon we'll have Douglas back.
Ya, 12 kita kehilangan 12 karena cedera setelah lawan Borneo ya. Dan kita pikir ini bukan cedera yang ringan, jadi mungkin tidak bisa bermain dalam waktu dekat. Ya kita mungkin harus sabar. Saya bukan dokter, tapi ini kita akan kehilangan 12 untuk beberapa bulan ke depan.
He's not able to play football. No, he's not able to play football. At this moment, he cannot play football.
Ya, dia cedera dan mungkin semua bisa bilang dalam waktu sekarang dia nggak bisa bermain sepak bola. Itu yang sebentar kita bisa kasih info.
It's crimes. 1 month, 3 games out, almost no. 6 weeks, not because he missed. Almost 6 weeks, and that's the reason he's alive.
Ya, karena Alexis mungkin dia kemarin kan ada 1 bulan setengah tuh dia nggak main ya, jadi mungkin agak kaget ototnya, dan hari ini mungkin dia agak terlalu letih, ototnya mungkin jadi itu rasanya mungkin ya sementara ini karena dia lama nggak main.
We always win penalties. Maybe he doesn't believe me. It's not that way. I think France, Ozal, Alexis, they take him a train today. The ball didn't go inside. It's unfortunate, but it's a reality. Now we keep on training. It's not even training. It's just confidence. But of course, if we want to win games and with 10 players and you miss a penalty, it's very difficult to win a match. It's very difficult. Let's be honest. It's very difficult. We have to score. Of course, Alex Ruiz missed, but okay, next time France the goal, Ronaldo goal, next man will take the penalty.
Ya, mungkin kalau saya bilang kita latihan penalti di setiap latihan mungkin nggak ada yang percaya. Jadi benar-benar kita juga berlatih di setiap sesi latihan, di setiap sesi. Tapi ya hari ini bolanya nggak mau masuk ke gawang, dan seperti kita butuh keberuntungan gitu untuk memasukkan bola untuk lapangan. Tapi yang lain mungkin akan siap. Jadi kalau hari ini Alexis nggak bisa masuk, mungkin ada